I don't know. I just threw the wrapper, so I don't know where the fuck I threw it. Ah, you're so clumsy. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So like I said, I'm gonna make two parts of it. So this part is gonna be makeup haul, and I've segregated the products according to their categories. So let's start with the first category. So basically, first category is gonna be primer, because you need primer to secure your foundation and secure your base and secure your makeup, and to make your makeup last long. So this is from Blue Heaven, and it's a perfect makeup base, studio perfection, oil free, non-greasy formula. So I wanted to get that Nykaa Prep Me Up one, but I didn't get that one because this one and that one has same texture, and that was around 549 rupees if I'm not wrong, and this was around 250 or 230 rupees. MRP is 300 I think, and I got some discount, like I got it for 220 or 230 rupees. So this is how it looks like, silicone base, and if you blend it in your skin, it gives nice smooth surface and a very nice smooth canvas. It clearly fill your pores. So if you are looking for a very budget friendly primer, then you should go for this one. And if you have a budget, then you can go for the Nykaa Prep Me Up, but I would suggest you go for this one, because why you need to and why you want to spend a lot of money for the same kind of effect. So the next product is from Lakme Absolute, and I Blur Perfect Makeup Primer, and I got this around 350 to 400 something, and the main price, the actual MRP is around 675 or 700 something like that. And I have used this primer like my friend had it. So the texture looks like this. I'm taking a little tiny amount because swatches, I don't want to waste my products on swatches, but I want to show you as well how the product looks like. So like I said, I had used this product earlier, so that's why I can give you my complete review about it. It blurs out your pores. It does what it says. So it gives you a nice plain blurry face, like it completely blurs out your pores, fill in your pores nicely, makes your skin really smooth and nice, so your base really lasts long and it doesn't look patchy and flaky. It is a very good primer for your, if you want long lasting makeup, and just buy it during the sale, because I think it's a little bit pricey for the drugstore brand. It is very good primer. If you want a very good primer, then you go for this one if you have a medium sort of budget. And let's move on to the next product, which is Lakme CC Cream. This product came, like the box came little bent, and I like about this CC Cream because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades, and 4 shades I guess. And if you get the smaller size, you don't have that many options. So I got in honey. I have a Lakme CC Cream in a beige shade, and that goes like, I don't know, that leaves a really white cast on my skin. So I got this honey. It nicely blends and it matches my wrist. So for face it will be little dark, but I can mix it, and that for that purpose only I got this. I can mix it with my beige one and get my like perfect shade for my skin tone. The next product is Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation. You can go for the 9 to 5 as well. That is little bit pricier, but it was nice on sale. It was around 228, and the actual price was 450, and it was around 250 to 300, and that's a good deal. And it's still there on discount, and this is around 250 or something, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 260 rupees, and I got it for around 240 rupees something. And it's a very lightweight, nice foundation. I have used it. I got it from my mother, but then it is very light for her skin tone. That's why I took it, and now it's mine. So the next foundation I have is this from NYX brand, Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation. It's a full coverage foundation. I don't have that many full coverage foundation, that's why I went for this one, and I have heard so many good things about this foundation. I've tried it once from makeup artist onto a shoot, and it really stayed really long time for my entire 12 hours shoot. It didn't budge that much, and yeah, I had like both the foundation with setting spray, so maybe the setting spray and the foundation combo was really nice. So I'm really looking forward to use this foundation and give my entire thought about this foundation. It is in the shade buff, and it was around 1300 or 1400 rupees. I got it around 950, 975, almost 1000 rupees, and it's okay for 1000 rupees for a full coverage foundation is fine, and you get 30 ml product. And if it is full coverage, no, you don't need that much foundation. 1 or 2 pump is more than enough. So yeah, that was the foundation. So let's talk about concealers. If we done with foundations, so this is the Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. I don't need to tell you guys so much about it, because if you follow me, if you watch my videos, then you know that I have this concealer and I have been using this from years. And I had a nude shade, I had a light shade as well, and I had from UK as well. I got these concealers from UK first, and then I bought it from India as well. So the formula, if I talk about UK formula and India formula, it is teeny tiny difference, but this concealer, if you have pigmentation around your eyes or your mouth or your face, this is really nice to conceal that. It gives you very high coverage effect, and it is literally clears everything. It does work what it says. It's an eraser. It works as an eraser. I don't remember the price, and this is in the shade light because I got it for highlighting my under eyes and my T-zone and my high points of my face. The next concealer I have is this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I don't know, being on YouTube and being shopaholic, how I didn't get this product, why this was not in my vanity. I don't really understand this, but it's okay. Now I have got it, and I'm proud of myself. At least I've got it, because this concealer is the best Soul concealer. It conceals your under eyes and your dark spots very nicely. It gives you nice coverage, and it's little bit pricey right now, but because when I had a color corrector from the same brand, it was not that pricey. It was around 450, 500, but now it is 695 rupees, and I don't think I got any discount on this product, but I got it because it is a really nice concealer. I've used it before. I know the formula. I've heard a lot of good things about this product, so I was like, Anna, just get this. Now just get this. So let's talk. If we are talking about face product, how can we forget powder or compact? Yeah, if I talk about this Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact, it has SPF 20 and it has shea butter in it. You get one divider, one applicator which I just dropped, and one mirror which I'm gonna hide because I don't want to show you what is behind my camera. So yeah, I got this foundation compact powder because I am into compact, and it is natural to shade. It is for 199 rupees, but I'm pretty much sure that I got some discount on it because Faces Canada was on discount. I really like this compact. Usually I use Maybelline's Super Fresh compact and Maybelline's Fit Me compact. I have those at my place, and one I have from Lakme. But I like this one as well. It was so affordable. It was under 200. Upon that, I was having discount on this, and it really works nice. I have tried it onto my right cheek, and it does the job. So you should get this if you have budget and if you're looking for a compact. The next product, let's move on to the eyes. The next product I got, Eyeliner Kajal. I guess I got it for 70-80 rupees, and it's a nice roll-on kajal. Good that it is not sharpening one. Like if you have to sharpen it, you literally waste a lot of kajal. Let me just show you the swatch of it. So this is it, how it is. It literally glides so nicely, and it is decent pigmented, and it says it's a long wear smudge proof liner, and I like smudge proof liners. I'm not into kajals that much, that's why I just got one. I didn't invest so much into kajal because I like barely use it, and I do have few pencils at my place, so let me finish those first and then I can go for another because I don't want it to get expired and accidentally use it and have some infection in my eyes. Because I love my eyes. So yeah, the next I have a mascara from Maybelline, and it's a Maybelline Total Temptation waterproof hydra proof mascara. Means it's a complete waterproof mascara. And if I talk about the wand, then this is how it looks like. It is a very fuller wand. It gives you volumizing eyelashes as well as lengthening eyelashes. So I have the Maybelline Sensational one, and I love that mascara. I had so many like tubes of it, bottles of it, what do you say it? And I keep on repurchasing because I love that mascara, the waterproof version. And people are raving about L'Oreal's Lash Paradise mascara, but I couldn't get my hands on it. It was out of stock whenever I tried to buy it, even from Amazon, even from Nykaa Purple, it was not there. So I was like, I'll just get this one because I have tried this one and I trust this one. People are raving about that Big Eyed mascara from Benefit and even the Too Faced mascara. But there was a scheme going on Too Faced. If you buy that, then you get that lip injection gloss of Too Faced. But I have that lip injection. I have 2 bottles of it, and my friend Chani got it for me from London. And if I'm getting the same product for free, then why? I'm not wasting that much money. It is very expensive for mascara. I like this one. This does the job. For now, I'm gonna stick this one unless I become a millionaire so that I can buy those products. So yeah, if we are talking about eyelashes, then this is what from Bronzon Professional brand. So to be honest, I don't know about this brand, but these lashes look very flattering for me, to me, and they are very dramatic. So basically, I don't have that many eyelashes. I have 2 eyelashes from PAC and another brand, and they are very natural, subtle. I have one dramatic eyelashes from Body Glow, but they came in parts, so it is not like in one go. They came in parts, so if you stick them, so they don't stick it in a like lined properly. So that's why they are waste of money. So I got this one because they are very dramatic, and I was gonna get a few more from the same brand, but like as I don't know about this brand, so let me just try this one. If it is nice, then I can get more. So it was around 175 rupees, and the number is PAC M75. And then I have 2 liners. So I am into liquid liners. I do like felt tip liners as well, but I don't have that many because they tend to get over or dry out so quickly, and I don't like to waste my money like that. So you get a lot of product, and these like stay long for a long time, for a long period of time you can use them. So first is Maybelline the Colossal Gold Eyeliner, and another one is Magnet Eyes Faces Canada. So both I got for 174 rupees, I think. And if I talk about Maybelline, then it has a little bit thicker wand than Faces Canada. So this is how it looks like, and this is how pigmented it is. And when this order came, I swatched it on my hand, and I won't lie to you guys, it stayed throughout the day. Even if I washed my face, the liner didn't budge or didn't move. I had to remove it from with a makeup remover. So this is how the Faces Canada wand is. It is a bit thinner than Maybelline. So this is how the Faces Canada one. So I would say the Maybelline one is completely matte eyeliner. Faces one is a little bit glossier, not exactly glossy. It is also matte, but it is a little bit glossier than Maybelline. And the Faces one takes a little more time to dry, and Maybelline one dries out really quickly. So these were 2 eyeliners. And the next product I got a sharpener, because I had a sharpener, but I didn't have a 2-in-1. So it has a bigger pencil one and a small regular size one. So I didn't have 2-in-1, and it was around 60-70 rupees. So I was like, just get this one, because when I travel, I keep 2-3 sharpeners for my crayon pencils and eyeliners and lip liners. So I was like, just get this one. It is not that expensive as well. The next product I have is a setting spray. So like I said, my base really lasted really long. When I use a foundation and a setting spray. I was not into setting spray that much. I had a setting spray earlier, but that went expired because I didn't use it and I just wasted my money just like that. But after using onto a shoot, I really understood that setting spray is really must when you do a heavy makeup or makeup. If you go for an event and if you want your makeup stay long, then you should use a setting spray. I went for this Nature's Canada one because it is 100 ml bottle. I wanted to get the pack one, but that comes in a deodorant form. Like if you spray it just goes on like deodorant, and you tend to use it more than required, and it just finishes earlier sooner than usual. So that's why I got it. It has a nice pump spray packaging. I don't want to waste my face, but I'll just show you. So this is how it is. It's a very fine mist. I didn't take it on my face because I don't want any makeup product on my face. That's why I didn't put any makeup, because I'll be removing from makeup remover. I don't want to do that right now for this situation. So it has a nice fine mist and it sets your makeup so nicely. It picks up your makeup so nicely. My friend told me that get this one. I have been using it and she claims that her makeup really lasts long along with this makeup fixer. So that's why I got this one. I'm looking forward to use it and give my review about it. So let's move on to the lip products, which are the last products. So I got few nude shades, few affordable lipsticks, and oh wait, I just missed one eye product. So this is from Wet n Wild brand, and I like white eyeliner and beige eyeliner into my waterline. But I didn't have a beige pencil. I used to put my concealer or my foundation, cream-based foundation, but that used to just get away, and it used to just come down into my lash line, onto my lash line. So that's why I got this one. It is in the shade Nude. So this is how it looks like, and it's really nice beige nude shade. If you want that big eye effect, and if you are Indian, if you have Indian skin tone, brown skin tone, Asian skin tone, then you should go for this one, the brand White, because White gives a very 3D effect and it gives very fake. This looks really natural. So go for this one if you want that kind of effect. And then I have these two lip liners from In Color, and I got these for around 40-50 rupees. And I didn't use that many lip liners, but now I know I want to shape, because I have very fuller lips, so that's why I don't like to outline, but sometimes I like to shape my lips very nicely. So that's why I got this one. So these are two colors. One is in pink shade and another one is in red shade. So this is how they look, pink and red. So I like the formula of this. It like nicely glides onto your skin, and the pink shade is Intense Fuchsia, and the red shade is okay. So I don't know about the other liner shade, because I just opened the liner and just threw it off. I don't know the shade because it's not written over here. It was written on that wrapper and it's gone. But this is into red shade, and another one is pink fuchsia, Intense Fuchsia. So these were the liners, and I have few lipsticks. So I got one lip and cheek tint from Lakme 925. I don't have I have only one liquid blush, cream blush. So I wanted to get a liquid blush, but I didn't have that much of budget, and I didn't want to waste that much money, because I can use my lipstick easily and make a cream liquid blush. But I wanted a specific product for my cheek. So that's why I got this lip and cheek tint, and the shade is Nude Cushion. And if I talk about the price, then yes, it is little bit pricey, but it is worth the money. But I didn't pay that much because I bought it onto sale. So this is how the lipstick and cheek tint looks like. It's a very nice mauvey pinky shade. I like the packaging, like pastel pink color and rose gold cap. I like it. And it stays really long. I have used it, that's why I'm telling you that it stays really, really long. And then next I got these two liquid lipsticks from Maybelline, and they were on sale, 175 rupees each. That's why I got them. They are really nice. They look really similar when I got them, so I was a little bit disappointed. But after applying, I tried out on my lips, and after using that, I was like clearly see that it's not similar. The packaging only looks similar, but they are not similar. So I have one peachy pinky shade, and the other one is completely brown nude shade. And the brown shade, which is bodysuit on, and the pink shade is this Sensational Me. So this is Sensational Me, and this is bodysuit on. So the bodysuit on washes me out a little bit. My skin tone, as in I'm medium to fair skin tone. If you are very fair, then it won't wash you out, but I don't think it will wash me out with makeup onto my bare face. Yeah, it did wash me out a little bit, but I can mix it with another one, Sensational Me, and it will give me a very nice nude lip shade. So the next two lipsticks I got from LA Teen, and these were just 75 rupees. That's why I just wanted to get from like the entire set of it, but I couldn't get it because they were out of stock. Because it's just 75 rupees. So I am wearing right now this Nude Fix N51. So this is Nude Fix. It is completely nice and perfect for your no makeup look. And the another one is Pink Spice. So this one is Pink Spice. They are creamy matte lipsticks. Creamy matte stays for like 2 to 3 hours, maximum 4 hours, but they're very comfortable to wear on your lips. They are not at all drying, and I hate such lipsticks like that, like very drying, like sugar lipsticks, like the liquid lipsticks. They are very much drying. So whenever you wear liquid lipstick, you have to prep your lips with a nice lip balm, but still they are still drying. And these are also comfortable, and they are really long lasting. Like it will stay throughout the day. If you eat, it will budge a little bit from sides of your mouth. So this is the Nykaa paint stick, and I don't know where the fuck it came in my cart. I'm sorry for my language, but I'm just annoyed because I didn't want to get this lipstick. I'm not against the lipstick, but I didn't want a red lipstick. It is very bright blood red color. And then I'm not against the lipstick. I have many red shades like liquid lipstick as well as this creamy matte. And the formula, it's nice. It's very creamy, but this is the red shade. It has a very dark pink undertone sort of, and I don't wear red that often, and I am not liking this buy because somehow it is added by mistake. It's my mistake or app's mistake, I don't remember, but it is by mistake, and I am really regretting this purchase because I would have bought so many other products, but I didn't want this. It's nice lipstick if you are into reds. If you like reds, then please go for this. It is a very nice lipstick, and it had a sale on it, but I'm not happy. The next free product I got from Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution Lip Color, and I'm really happy even though it is free. But why I'm happy? Because it came in nude shade, and I'm into nudes. I love nude shades. I usually wear nude shades only, and it's very creamy. It's like touch of spice of Maybelline creamy matte lipstick, and this is how it looks like. Oh my god, this is gonna look so nice on my lips with makeup, without makeup as well. I really love this. It is tester, not for sale, but it's okay. They gave me a free product, so I'm happy. The only bad thing I felt about my skincare product, Dot & Key sleeping mask one, it was spilled, And if you haven't watched the video, then go watch that video. I'll put a link down in the description box, so you can see my skincare video as well, skincare haul as well. And check out my previous video as well, my makeup haul from Nykaa Pink Friday sale. And there is a very big giveaway announcement into that video. So do check that out. Do watch the entire video so you'll understand what giveaway it is and when it is gonna come. And if you're interested in that giveaway, please do check out that video and subscribe to my channel for more updates on my giveaway. So yeah, having said that, this is the end of this video. I hope you must have liked my shopping. I loved it, apart from those two products. And yeah, let me know in my comment box which product you liked the most and which you didn't like the most. And there'll be a very nice giveaway onto my channel, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, then give me a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on my social media for more updates and small reviews. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till the time, bye.